Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to stop sharing accounts on Instagram in 2025. With Instagram's evolving features, sharing accounts can sometimes lead to privacy issues or unwanted access. Whether you're dealing with a family member's account linked to yours or just want to keep things separate, this guide will help you regain control in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you're logged into the Instagram app on your device. If you have multiple accounts linked, head over to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. This is your gateway to settings, so navigate to Settings and Privacy at the top of the list. Now, scroll down until you find the Accounts Center section. In 2025, Instagram has made this even more prominent for better account management. Tap on it, and you'll see options for linked accounts. Here, you can view all the accounts that are currently shared or connected. Select the account you want to stop sharing, and look for the Remove from Accounts Center or Unlink Account button. Confirm your choice when prompted. This step is crucial to ensure you're not accidentally keeping any connections. After unlinking, double-check by going back to your main settings. It's always a good idea to review your privacy settings too, like turning off activity status or managing who can see your stories. This way, you're not just stopping sharing but also bolstering your overall security. By following these steps, you'll have full control over your Instagram experience. Remember, in 2025, Instagram might have slight updates, so if things look a bit different, check the help section in the app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.